and welcome to today's video. Today we are going to be testing out the newly formulated Huda Beauty foundation. So I have got the original right here with me, and I have got the brand new formulated version in this packaging right here ready to go. And what I thought would be fun to do is one side the original formula, one side the new formulation, just to see how the two compare, if they are indeed the same. Now for me personally, I know that when this foundation launched, it was quite polarizing. Some people loved it, others absolutely hated it for a few different reasons. I understand that it does have a pretty intense scent to it, the original. I was not somebody that was overly bothered by that, however. However, I do definitely agree that this is a foundation that will clog your pores and just, yeah, like it's great on the day that you're wearing it, you're having a good time, but then when you take it off, your skin's not having a good time. And that's just how that's been my personal experience and feeling about this particular product. Also, she is thick. She is a full coverage foundation. So if that is something that you are after, I do definitely recommend it. As I said, I do like this foundation, the original. I'm very excited to see how the new formula goes and if there is any differences. But yeah, let's just go ahead and put it to the test. So you guys, the packaging is exactly the same as to be expected. So I think that what I'm going to do is just the old formula I'm going to do on this side, the new formula I'm going to do on this side. I have already primed my skin using the Benefit Professional. This is the hydrating primer. I really love this primer. I think it is absolutely fantastic. So yeah, just gonna go ahead and pop this on. Just done 2 pumps and we'll go on. What did I say? The old formula can go on this side. As you guys can see, like, it is thick. And if you are wondering, I am in the shade Macaroon 230N, and this is just me, white as can be, with no fake tan or anything on. So yeah. Oh god, you definitely can smell it, like, my goodness. Alright, here we go. New formula is coming out, there we go. Can't smell anything at all. There is no fragrance to it at all. And I think that... Wait. What? You guys, it's a different shade. What is going on? Both of these are literally, like, check this out. They are both the same. I ordered this exact same shade online. One is Macaroon 230N. Macaroon 230N. Did I miss somewhere where it said that the shades had changed? What the hell? Well, I feel super disappointed. Like, what am I meant to do here? I'm just gonna start to buff this out because, like, it's obviously starting to dry down. So this is one side, super duper fair and quite accurate to my skin, I feel right now. Oh, you guys. As you can see, she is full coverage. So whenever I'm applying this, I really do like to use a foundation brush, like a kabuki brush. So this one here is actually by It Cosmetics. And yeah, I just find that this is the best way to evenly blend and distribute this product because it is just so thick. I just don't think a sponge does the best job. Like, you can use a sponge afterwards just to smooth anything out that you might need to, but you know, I feel like the brush does the best job. So now we're gonna go on this side. Oh my goodness. What the actual bleep. I am so annoyed right now because, like, I genuinely genuinely wanted to do a comparison, and I honestly thought that if I bought the same shade, it would be the same shade. Like, I knew the formula had changed, but I didn't think the shade range was going to change with the new formula. Is it advertised anywhere online that that's the case? Am I crazy? What? You know what? Okay, just from having a look at how it's sitting on the skin, I definitely feel like it's sitting on the skin just the same way as the original formula, definitely. I wouldn't say it feels lighter or anything like that. Normally at this stage I would go through with like a beauty blender just to sort of like even everything out that needed to be evened out, if you know what I'm saying. I can tell you that there is definitely a difference in the way of the scent. Like, that is for sure. The scent has definitely gone, which I know a lot of people will be quite happy about that. It does also, like, funnily enough, it doesn't feel as thick as what the original formula is. I definitely feel like there is a difference in the thickness of the formula for sure. You know, I feel like I would be having a better time right now if the shades were the same, because I could actually do like a wear test and all that sort of stuff. But right now on one side of my face I feel very yellow, and on the other side of my face I feel like it's a true match to my skin. So yeah, guys, this obviously has been a total fail. I am so sorry that I cannot give you a proper review, but I'm so shocked. Like, I'm sorry, I'm not going to think that when I'm buying the same damn shade that it's going to be a different shade. Like, what the hell? Yeah, like, that's just so disappointing to me. Because, like, literally, this is like a $60 foundation over here in Australia, I think, and the rest. So maybe 64, something like that. So it's not like this is cheap. And I'm literally only going to be able to really use this now when I'm kind of semi-tan, because even like when I put fake tan on, normally I feel like I would be at least 1 or 2 shades darker than what I currently am. So I don't even feel like I could get away with this as a fake tan shade, if you know what I mean. And I do have my Cover FX custom drop, so I could make it slightly darker if I needed to, but again, I don't want to. Like, the whole purpose of me purchasing this was to test out the new formula and to obviously match my actual skin tone that I currently am, because I certainly don't tan all the time. So yeah, I'm just like, I'm super duper disappointed. I feel like I feel like I need to end the video here. Is that crazy? What a quick, crazy, dumb video. I'm so sorry, guys. Leave me some comments down below. What do you think about this? Are you shocked? I know I'm absolutely shocked. I can't believe it. Yeah. This is just crap. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. Thanks guys for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. Let me know if you've repurchased this and had the same issue. I'm really curious now to know. And of course, as always guys, I will see you all on the next one. Mwah. Bye guys.